You good, man?
Yeah.
You good? Okay. You got help coming?
Yeah, I'm telling the officer right now.
Okay. Alright, man. Stay safe, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Did he get airlifted?
Huh?
You get airlifted?
Yeah. He's moving. He's conscious. He's moving his legs, his arms.
You get on film?
Huh?
You get on film?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
No. Not him crashing.
Oh, okay. You got everything else though, friend?
I got us coming back. The whole way here, legit, the whole way here, when guys were flashing us. Yeah, so they were flashing us when we were going here, when we were coming back. And I immediately knew, I was like, fuck.
Yeah. Well, I was hoping it was just like, hey, there's cops ahead.
Yeah.
Not this.
No, but when he wasn't coming, and we flashed, I was like, fuck.
What did he hit? What did he hit? Oh my god.
Dude, it's like he hit over there.
Really?
Hit, all the people were there, and I didn't see.
Where did his body land?
His body was over there.
Over there?
Yeah.
Practic.
Ain't no way that nobody's gonna leave this town. Hell, I was born here, and I was raised here, and dadgummit, I'm gonna...
Merda! Merda! Loca, loca! Cazzo!